Water's beautiful, man.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, your girl Des, of course, and bitch, get ready with me in the Tessie. So we got somewhere to be, right? And yes, I look like this. Yeah, so I'm gonna be doing my makeup while it's in FSD. I think I want to go to Dunkin to try Megan's drink. So when we get closer to where we need to be, I think I'm gonna just add that stop and then we're gonna do it like that. My makeup is in this bag right here. Do still have the tape and extensions in. If y'all want to see how I installed them, you gotta watch my birthday vlog. Hello. But yeah, I still have them on. All right. Oh my god, that's coming apart. All products will be listed down below for you guys too, but I'm gonna start off by moisturizing my face with this Too Faced Coconut Primer. Next is gonna be foundation. I'm gonna go in with my Kylie Skin Tint. We got this, we got this. I don't wanna get copyrighted, but oh my gosh. I cannot wait for the playlist videos. Y'all don't understand. I'm so excited for that. I'm excited for this whole fucking year. Like, bitch, please. Okay, we're stopping at the red light so I can look. I don't want to use this mirror because I feel like then it's gonna be like real obvious. Concealer, I'm going with this Hourglass and we're gonna put it like right there. It's a damn shame how they changed for the fame fucking name. And then I'm also gonna do my eyebrows. Bitch, I know I grabbed it. Watch me find it after I'm done with my makeup and shit. Like, what the fuck? Good thing I packed like a just in case makeup bag just for the car. And there's actually an extra eyebrow shit in here. It's actually the old Morphe one because I had bought a new one, so I was just like, fuck it, but okay. Hey Grok, can you add a stop to the nearest Dunkin Donuts?
Added a stop at the nearest Dunkin Donuts. Let me know if you want to swap it or add more.
That's fine.
Great. We're set for Dunkin then. Anything else?
That's everything, thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy those donuts. Safe travels.
Well, I'm gonna enjoy that drink, but thank you. It has the Megan Thee Stallion drink, right?
Yeah, Dunkin has Megan Thee Stallion's Mango Protein Refresher on the menu. It's a new protein-packed drink with juicy mango flavor that just launched this year. The spot you're heading to should have it since it's part of their winter lineup.
Period. Thank you. Period. Okay. See, like, what the fuck? I just saw this screen and it said that it didn't understand when I said period. Command not understood. I'm like, bitch, okay. Ooh. Bad bitches work. Shout out to my pussy, this little bitch to go. All dicks be right there for yes. My motherfucking body, my choice. Ain't no little dick taking my voice. For contour, I'm going in with this Hourglass foundation stick. Lick, 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 lick. Gotta get my ass ate. He said he ain't licking, all that little kiss shit. Literally, little boy shit. Yeah, yeah, just eat it. Can I yap a little bit? You know what's so cute, guys? When I had started YouTube, fun fact, not playing, but when I had started YouTube and I had got my first check, girl, that was a cute little down payment for like a Tesla. And I had used that down payment to actually get me and my family into a new apartment. Because it's like, did I want to get a Tesla and then know like we're fucking homeless? Or do I want to make sure there's a roof under everybody's head and then I can get this car in the future? You know what I mean? Like, there was no rush like for me to get a Tesla back then. I remember driving it. It didn't have self-drive, like literally nothing how it is right now, obviously. Like, but my first car was a Hyundai. If you guys are real ones, y'all know like the Hyundai, bitch, I was whipping that shit. And it was so cute because it was a Valentine's Day gift from my mom to me. And I was like one of the first kids. It was me and like another girl that had a car at like school. Not everybody had that shit until like eventually like senior year type shit. But oh yeah, pressed powder, you already know. But yeah, it was the Hyundai. And then I got a Mercedes because you just have to like experience a Mercedes. It's gonna be an expensive fucking it's gonna be an expensive ass experience, like, bitch, expensive. That's why low-key I switched to this, because I was like, fuck, like this shit is too much, like, and I have to drive, what the actual fuck, you know? So I'm so glad, like, God has timing for everything, you know what I mean? Maybe obviously now that I see it like that, like, it was way better like this, because I felt like if I would have had a Tesla at the time, like, I wouldn't know how to act for real. Like, I would not, bro. At like 16, like, bitch, 15, 16, I only had my permit too, so I just felt like there was no rush. Or like when, you know, kids, and I want to say kids because like 18 and under is like kid shit, but like there's dead ass no reason for you to want like a luxury apartment right now. Like, really figure shit out first, see where you're at financially and mentally, and then make those decisions. Oh my gosh, I gotta be real quick with this. Baking powder, boom boom boom. God has a plan for everything. Oh, it drove me right in the drive-thru. Okay, thank you. Oh my god, so cute. Wait, I need to record it.
Welcome, Jeffy.
Hi, can I do a small Megan's mango? The avocado toast topped with bacon?
Right now, I don't have bacon available. Is that okay?
Oh shit, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Classic donut too.
You want any specific? Because I don't have a big selection either.
Just the pink one with the sprinkles? Bitch, they didn't have the donut with the sprinkles. Like, are you serious? Yay. Thank you. They didn't even have bacon, bro. What the fuck? About to finish my makeup in the line and shit. In with this Hourglass palette. I fucking love this palette, dude. Like, I just wanted something smaller. Like, don't get me wrong, the Physicians Formula one is cute, but that shit is big. Like, I can't take that anywhere. For blush, you already know the Kylie one. Where the fuck my shit at, yo?
I did find a little bacon. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Thank you so much. You too. Okay. Okay, it's gonna fucking park real quick. Perfect. Thank you. First of all, lock my shit. Second of all, put my window up. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Use the Urban Decay setting spray. Wipe it off. You know what? I want to try it. Cheers. Oh. This is so cute. Okay, fair. People were trying to say it was fucking nasty. Like, bitch, you're nasty. Whatever's left on the brush. For highlight, if you guys have real ones, you guys know this is the same foundation, the same highlighter from the palette. This is just how it looks like sold separately. And oh my gosh, this is my 2016 right here. Like, bitch, I love this highlight. Like, for some reason I can't find a highlight like this. Maybe the Stila one, but something that's like cheap, like, no. Like, look at how good that is. Now it's time for the eyes. You already know. For lips, I'm gonna be going in with the Kylie Jenner lip kit in coconut. Are my fucking eyelashes on right? What's she selling? Portos. What the fuck? They could do that? What the fuck you saying? You ain't getting money, girl. You need a plan. You a broke bitch. Always hoe, nothing in. What the fuck? I wonder what she's selling. You know what? Never ate Portos like that though. Let's take this shit out now. Ah! Ah! Oh my god. Ew. Please drop a bag on it. Ooh, that one's curly. Okay, she more broke than your best friend. I forgot I had the tape-ins in and that shit just yanked it. Oh, bitch. Okay. I actually have 3 of these. So this one is gonna be the hair one. I have a makeup one, and then I also have like a emergency one. Let's put on the hoodie, and then I'm gonna figure out my hair. Ah! My gosh. Oh. Whew. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so now we can go where we need to go. I need you guys to listen to the song.
This nigga must have forgot who the fuck I am. I'm sitting here thinking to myself, hold up, damn bitch, you tripping? Why you on the phone going back and forth with this nigga when your stomach flat and your booty big? And you can stay on all night long cause you ain't got no kids. Who you talking to? Because it can't be me. You know I pull up. He feed you Taco Bell. He feed me shrimp and steak. Bitch, he take you through the world. He took me on a date. He gon' treat you like a joke. He know me, I don't play. He gon' treat cause you little. He know me, I don't stay. That's a #1 rule. Bad bitches choose. Never chase a nigga, let a nigga chase shit.
I love you guys so much. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good shit down below, and I'll see you bad bitches in the next video.